Hello kids, welcome back. We are going to look in effects a little bit more. Now we have set effects to, and we are also going to get clear graphic effects. Okay, so we used the change color by effect, set colors to, and clear graphic effects. So set color to effect to, let's say I am going to write here as we had seen here, we are going to use, let's say, 44. It is not going to change the color to that. I'm just going to write here. You can see the effects have been changed. It is not going gradually, it is just changing directly to that position. If it is 144, you can see it has changed completely the color. Same way, we have some other effects as well. We can change those back to where we want it. Let's say I want change brightness effect to 144, and 144 it has disappeared, and if it is, let's say, 50, it is 50% obvious. And if I want to clear all the effects, this is how we are going to clear all the effects we created from step 1. Okay, all the effects that were the colors or the ghost or the brightness, all were clear with this graphic effects. Another thing with these effects is show and hide. Show and hide. Hide means my sprite or robot will be hidden. We cannot see it. And here we have show here as well. We also have show and hide from here as well. You can see. And we can use also that in our program to show or hide our sprite. We can use it to hide somewhere and show somewhere. That's all for today. See you in the next module. Bye bye now.